In examining this Guru Tattva, or the truth about Guru, Jiva Goswami cites three types of Guru: Shravan Guru, Shiksha Guru, and Diksha Guru. So the Shravan Guru, who is the Shravan Guru? Shravan Guru. That person from whom one hears knowledge of the Bhaktis, Bhakti, and Bhagavad Tapta is known as Shravan Guru. Sadhaka should receive instructions on Bhagavad Dharma from such a spiritual master. By carrying out those instructions, Hari will personally gives himself to the devotee. So the Shravan Guru, he is the one who gives instructions how to execute bhajan. There may be many Shravan Gurus. The sadhaka should take shelter of one Mahapurush among them, who is suitable to his nature, and it's suitable to his nature and receive instructions regarding how to perform bhajan. Suitable to his nature means that when you meet with that sadhu, he's friendly, he's affectionate, so that then we can relate to him. If he's very proud or very elevated or very distant from everyone, then it's very hard to relate to that spiritual master.